Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Glorify channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning Facebook covers in just a few minutes using Glorify. Let's dive right in. First, open your Glorify account. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, head over to the Templates section. In the Templates section, you can scroll down to find the Facebook cover templates or use the search bar at the top. Just type Facebook cover, and you'll see the perfect templates with the exact dimensions for a Facebook cover photo. Now, you have two options. You can start a new design from scratch by clicking the plus icon, or you can scroll down to find a template that suits your niche or theme. For example, I need a Facebook cover photo for my shoe brand's social media page. So I'll type shoe in the search bar, hit enter, and Glorify will display all the templates that match my keywords. Let's choose this design and click Use this template. The Glorify editor will open up and now we can fully customize it. First, let's replace the image. Select the current image, then click Replace on the right-hand side. You can choose an image from your assets library or upload a new one from your desktop. Once the image is replaced, you can remove its background by clicking the Remove Background button on the right side or using the Remove BG button in the contextual toolbar above the image. Let's click this, and in just a few seconds, the background is gone. Hit Done, and now we have an image with a transparent background. Next, let's update the text. You can explore different fonts from our fonts library or keep the font as is. After updating the copy, let's adjust the colors to match our shoe brand. First of all, I will change the background to a gradient that matches our shoe colors. Let's remove these effects. And now let's update these images which are in these shapes. Click Replace and go to Pexels, type Watercolor Blue. I like this one. Let's use this. Once added, let's copy and paste it at the same positions. Once you're happy with the design, head over to the Download button. I will download it as a JPG, keeping the scale at 1x and the quality set to 100%. Hit Download, and there you have it. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we've created a beautiful Facebook cover using Glorify. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. See you in the next video.